Ever checked your security camera and saw something creepy? Jake was home alone when he got a strange motion alert. A man stood at his front door, completely still and smiling. Jake tried to talk through the intercom, but got no response. The man just kept smiling, making Jake uneasy. Jake checked the camera again, and now there were more men. They weren't knocking, just standing there and watching. Jake's phone buzzed again, another alert from his bedroom. The notification read, "Motion detected in his bedroom." What could be happening in his own home right now? Stay safe and always check your cameras, folks.